Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not
Hey guys, look at this one. Look like a mountain, right?
Smoky Mountain
This is a Smoky Mountain in the US.
in Florida.
See, it's clean, right? It looks like a mountain, but it's not.
Garbage disposal.
Yeah. Good morning. Happy weekend, everyone. We're on our way to Gainesville because we're going to drop off some stuff for my son. He's going to the university again this year, so it's 5 hours driving, 5 hours driving. So we just take our time. You know, what time now is 9:26, maybe. What time we get there? 9:26.
2:30.
2:30 in the afternoon. Yeah, we get there at 2:30 in the afternoon, but we pass by somewhere in St. Port Lucie to pick up some bread, Filipino bread that I ordered from a Filipino girl. So I'm going to see her in like 1 hour and a half. We're going to see each other somewhere in St. Port Lucie. So guys, I will update you later and hope you have a nice weekend. See you later, guys. We're still driving. We still have like 3 hours left, you know? Like 3 hours left, maybe? Yeah. Yeah. So because it's 5 hours drive. So we already drive 2 hours now. Because we left the house like 8:30. So 2 o'clock or 2:30 we get there in Gainesville. We take our time. We don't rush. Yeah. So gonna stop there in St. Port Lucie to pick up the pandesal. Then I have my coffee. Yes. So, see you guys later, alligator. See you guys. So guys, we're
I'm gonna
here
walk a
na
little bit.
in St. Port Lucie because I'm going to pick up the bread
I'll get up.
from my Filipino friend. So I'm waiting for her.
I'm gonna go. Wait.
I think she's not here yet. So
I gotta walk.
I will show you the bread later, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys. See you again. When we see, get some groceries for my son. So guys, this is my bread now. I
We
picked
gotta
it
go
up
all the way.
already. This is the star bread. And then I have also the, wait lang ha. This one, the pandesal. You see? So guys, magkape muna ako. Saka yung driver namin, oh. Hi, babe. He's grumpy na. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. See you in Gainesville. We have 3 hours more to go to get there. Okay, bye. Yung breakfast namin on the road. I'm hungry na. Wala pa akong almusal. Smells good, Bina?
Yeah.
I have a chicken breast, fried rice, and carrots. So, we eat while we drive. I'm hungry. Okay, guys. See you again. And the journey continues. Wow. We still have like 2 hours more. But still, baby? An hour more? Oh my nga eh.
1 hour and something.
Ay, 1 o'clock na
It's
pala.
almost 1 o'clock, man.
Oh, wow. Yeah, we're getting there. Slowly, slowly but surely.
We get there early.
Yeah, we get there early as we expected. So, yeah. I think this is ano na the entrance of Gainesville na, right, baby? Heading to Gainesville na, right?
No.
Or this is ano na?
Going towards,
Shola?
Going towards Ocala.
Ocala? Yeah, it's different. Ano here, guys? Look at the soil. It's
This
like
is the construction to make the turnpike
look.
wider.
Oh,
They're gonna make the
they
turnpike
gonna
wider.
wider the turnpike, guys, because traffic here. Yeah. Oh, my God! Last time I was here last year, it's still the same thing. They're still fixing.
They're gonna make the road wider.
We're almost there, guys. I will show you around Gainesville. It's a little town in Florida. So, yeah. See you. So, guys, naman kami dito sa banda sa The Villages in somewhere in Ocala. So, nag-refuel kami kasi nga may 1 hour and a half ata ang drive namin ito eh. Tingnan mo guys yung aquarium nila. Grabe, ang ganda. Tapos may mga food na sila dito. Pero sabi ko, wag na lang tayong kumain. Doon na lang sa Gainesville. So, yan. Nag-bathroom si Edwin. Okahomka pala. So, nag-stop lang kami nag-gas. Tapos, nag-bathroom si Edwin. Tapos, guys, tingnan mo, nahaliw ako sa aquarium nila, guys. So, ang lalaki ng mga isda, oh. Tingnan mo naman, oh. Parang, ang tataba ng isda. Yung isda nila dito sa aquarium na to, parang, yung masarap iprito. Parang snapper pa, oh. Tingnan mo, oh. Oh my God, parang tilapia, ano. Ang laki-laki, ang taba. So, yeah, nag-refuel lang kami. Tapos, para maka-stretch ng konti. Tignan mo yung mata ng isda, oh. Sarap iprito, oh. Ewan ko ano yung isa na yan. Maitim siya. Tapos ito mo. Oh, grabe, guys. Yeah. Yeah, we're here. The Villages.
Of Ocala.
Of Ocala, where the rich people retired here. Yan. We're here na, guys.
Use the right lane to take exit 384
Yes,
onto
at
State
last.
Road 24 and Archer Road toward Gainesville.
We're here na. We get here 2:22 p.m. So we're going to my son apartment.
Take the exit, then turn right onto Southwest Archer Road.
Unload everything. And then
At the light, use the right lane to turn onto Southwest Archer Road toward Gainesville.
Look, there's a hotel right here.
this is the one that we went. This is
Oh,
where
there's the hotel right
this
here.
is where the TG Maxx, remember? This is the one. This is the enter. This is the entry.
Turn right.
Archer, baby. Oh, ayan, Archer. Right.
Turn right, it says here. The address says right.
Okay. Yeah, we always pass by here all the time. So the school is there.
There's a lot of hotels here.
This
I didn't see that one. How much is that one?
This is the one, the entrance here. You know where?
I'd rather stay in
This is
my
the
own
one.
hotel.
This is the one that the TG Maxx and everything,
Oh,
and then
don't
the
remember.
restaurant, the buffet is here too.
That's why you're my co-pilot.
It's over here,
You're the
and
co-pilot.
this is the hotel where we are about to stay. Yeah, we're here, Archer Road. So we're here na, guys. At last, we're going to my son's apartment and unload everything. Yeah. Ay, praise God, we get here safe.
Yeah.
So we're here na after 5 hours driving.
Chick-fil-A is good. You said the salad chicken
Yep.
salad.
Oh, I like that salad in
The salad with
Chick-fil-A.
chicken. Look, it's full.
I like the salad there.
We're gonna pass 1, 2 lights.
Panda Express. Habit.
You got everything.
I think this is the ano eh. This is the center eh. Archer Road.
No, but the city is further down.
This is the one.
Let's go, Gators.
This is the tropical, so guys. This is their apartment. This is the kitchen. Yeah. This is their sala. Look guys. Ito is Florida. This is their dining. They have a couch na oh. Yeah. They have a surround sound. Maybe they bring that one. Yeah. They have their TV, so Edwin assembled the TV. Kitchen. Dining. It's big. I like the apartment. They have their outside. Oh. And it's quiet.
I never seen him.
You don't see him?
No.
I saw
You went
him.
to the house?
No, he didn't. One bedroom, the door.
Yeah.
So the TV.
Yeah, look.
The
I want to
bathroom.
find like a beanbag chair
Nice.
on this side of the room.
Why? For what? Oh, I like the computer.
Yeah, I like the setup.
You already installed your computer?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's nice. It's back. Oh, see? That's the one that we bought last time. So you don't have anything in the storage anymore?
No, we took everything.
Okay. Oh, that's nice.
But yeah,
V.
stuff clothes on the floor. I'll take put out. Put back.
What, that one in the luggage bag? They
Yeah.
still have? You can hang it in there.
Yeah, I still have stuff, but I was just so busy.
Yeah, you have your fridge and everything. Oh, the chair is perfect here. Oh, see, that's the one. It's better. Why you need to put all your bed? You don't want in something?
No.
You don't have space
So
anymore
I can
also,
just
no?
walk around.
You don't have space also, no? Nice. Oh. Yeah. Oh. It's big. You still have a lot pa.
Oh yeah, no, this is
You don't have a pillow, be?
it like
Storage.
no like
Diretso. Okay. Guys, di pa naayos. Panaayos yung room. Yeah. Laki yung mga